We're a store that has raincoats at $33 a piece, so if you want to buy those or buy them like a trash bag, make them out of that.
Go ahead and buy whatever you can buy in the way of raincoats, and then roll of trash bags will work as well, I guess.
Okay, let's just put them on our credit card.
You are aware that we're on the other side of town now. We're on East 20th and Murphy Boulevard. East 20th and Murphy Boulevard.
Yes, sir, but you did want us to buy as many raincoats as we can, so on our credit card, get reimbursed, and we'll just put out the money you gave us.
If you've got money in hand, I'll give you cash to replace it, whatever it takes. We'll send somebody else out if we need to.
Okay, I can pick up as many as you need. You want raincoats or raincoats?
The raincoats will be good to start with.
Okay.
What's that blue thing at the top of that tree up there?
Tarp?